Hello guys and welcome to Bravo's amazing unboxing video. On today's episode we have Sin, everyone's favorite protagonist. Then we have Jay, everyone's favorite corporate asshole. And last but not least, we have Omni. Oh, she's so cute. And then we do also have a random mystery thing. So I will start by saying though that Glitch does do a very good job with their packaging. I'm always quite skeptical that these things are going to get damaged because, I mean, all it takes is one heavy box on this and it's destroyed. But as you can see, it's almost basically in perfect condition. They also do come with these like protector things, which is quite nice. The product themselves, I mean, the quality from this point of view looks pretty good. I don't have any complaints. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do something that I don't usually do, and I'm actually gonna take these out of the packaging. I'm gonna do that off screen though, because I don't want you guys seeing me fumble. So I will make another video and I will see you there.